Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Unholy. The song is Unholy. The artist is Sam Smith and Kim PETRAS. The choreography is MAURIO LAMPKIN. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this video, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
She got married to a boy like you. She kick you out if she ever knew about all the you told me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy. You know everyone is talking on the screen. I hear them whispering about the places that you clean and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Drop the attic.
Go. Unholy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.